Today we are going to learn what is randomization quick sort. Suppose we have these elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in randomization quick sort, what we apply? We apply random generator function. Random generator function. So suppose if it is 4, so on fourth index, so random generator function 1 to 7, like that. So apply random generator function and the same number, so same number will not come again because this is random generator, so same number will not come again. Or we can say this is uniform distribution. Uniform distribution. How? Suppose one time it will come like that, so it will partition like this 10, 20, 30 because this is the random generator we choose. So this works as pivot element 50, 60, 70, and next time different random generator will come. Suppose this time 1, so 1, 2, 3, and suppose the next time random generator is 6, so 5 to 7, like that. So it will be like 10, 20, 30, so and it will be like 50, 60 and 70. It will divide. Now if suppose random generator is 3, so it will be 2, 3, so it will be 20, 30, like that it will work. So we can simply say in random quick sort, say random generator in random generator same number will not come again, and so this is why, that's why it is uniform distribution. So we can say simply it will get balanced partition in sorted array, and it will cover all the possibilities, that is best case, worst case, like that. Or we can say combination of all partition is equal to best case is equal to order of n log n. So there are some points regarding to this. What they are: choose pivot element randomly because this is random quick sort, randomly, and no assumption about input order, that is maybe it can be sorted or maybe not. And the third thing, no specific input behaves as worst case. No specific input behaves as worst case because in combination of all partition it works as best case, or complexity always remain order of n log n. So if we want to write the algo, so simply just write algo randomized quick sort array first and last, and if p equal to q, it means only one element, then simply it will return array of p. Else what it return? Else first it will generate random generator, so a random generator p oblique q. After that it will swap whatever random generator will come, it will swap with p. P means pivot element. Then it will do partition. Next is same rest like quick sort, partition A, P, Q, then Randomized quick sort A, B, R minus 1 one side, then randomized quick sort A, R plus 1 Q. Then simply it will return A. Like that it will work. The only thing that changed that we have to generate random generator function. And the few more things about it that randomized quick sort will give same time worst case performance for all kind of input. Same time in case of worst case, or we can say the performance for any kind of input. Randomized quick sort will give same time in case of worst case performance also, and for any kind of input. So this is all about the randomization quick sort.